show you the wheel posture, and then we'll be understand why I let you practice the cobra, then we practice the bow, then we practice the camel. We make 3 posture we did first, and then we can be proceed our next level. So legs closer, bend your legs, both hands, bend it, palm inside. In the beginning, you can be have a little distance in between legs, maximum as per the hip. Toes shouldn't be facing out. Look at me. Hello. What I said. Stand up. What I explained. What I explained. You remember? Just give me only 50 minutes. Yeah, after that you can be talk and laugh, whatever. So the toes should be inside. Why? Because if the toes facing out, it will be impact your inner thigh. So when the toes facing inside, so you can be engage your inner thigh and you can be connect with that. Arms, elbow inside. So now, how to come in the posture? It's a challenge and it's the main thing. Depends. If someone is just the beginner in this pose, someone they have super duper flexibility, they have the enough strength. There are so many different ways. So I will give you the basic fundamental things. So firstly, press your palm, lift your chest and only drop your head. Also lift your hip. First, this is the one way, the easiest way. After that, keep pressing the palm, collect your all the arms and your shoulder strength, press it and then try to be lift up, guys. Some students maybe they feel challenged, not enough flexibility in the shoulder, maybe their arms are bending, but depends. So once you are able, once you come in, what I said, toes should be inside. So this is the way to come in the wheel pose. After that, there are so many different of level. You can be see she has a very beautiful opening in her shoulder and in her upper spine. You can be see that curve. Some students they have not, so their position is like that, do the wrong. Their position is always like that because they are mostly focused only on the lower spine. So but we need to be focused all the back bending, upper we did, middle we did, lower we did and hip we did. Combined all together, flexibility and strength, then we can be practice here. And now you can be see the different ways. Now you bend the legs closer. Okay, now one leg up, come on, one leg up, good, relax, one leg bend, here, good, lift up, head up more, can be touch more, means we can be create so many different modifications and level as per our body. Okay, thank you so much. Bend your legs, I remember you. Come on. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Come on.